Hello there, and thank you for joining us for the Contact Center presentation. Here we have several items that are available to you in real time for dashboard viewing, reporting, and skill set routing and management of your contact center. You can actually set up alerts, so you can have different levels of alerts based on types of queues and how long calls have been in queue. We also support callback in queue applications, so we can have a person hold their place in queue while they're not on the phone. We also have real-time detailed reporting of exactly what agents are doing, what queue they're on, how long they've been in status, etc. And it doesn't matter whether these are voice queues or omni-channel queues, such as email and SMS and web chat, all skill set routing is handled the same. And skill set routing is very easy to manage in this system by the click of a slider bar. So I can put my most expertise at the front of the line in these queues and my backup people and queues at the back. If I need additional help during peak times, it's very easy for me to drag and drop people onto a queue and immediately change their skill set route and have them back up in that queue. Real-time applications with real-time maintenance, very easy to do. Reporting is also included in the platform, which gives you several options for real-time and on-demand reporting. We have over 70 canned reports built into the contact center application. It's very easy to run reports in real time just by selecting it. And then once you have a report, you can download them to a format that makes sense to you. In addition to that, you can subscribe to reports. So I can actually take a particular report and subscribe to it, have it show up on my desktop or in my email box in the format I choose at a date and time I choose, or on a daily basis. In addition to that, we also include call recording and other applications that have to do with managing the other channels. In voice recording, you can easily find down particular calls just by selecting a filter, clicking on that call, and actually going in and listening to it, downloading it, and also being able to score that call through quality assurance. And the same goes for all of your other channels of history as well. So we keep all the transcripts online for you in real time so you can view those at any time. System setup is also very straightforward. It's easy to set up auto attendance the way you see fit with different menu options and choices. And each of those menu options can have many action items, such as queuing a call or playing prompts and transferring calls in and out of the contact center as needed, as well as sophisticated configuration capabilities for both do not disturb, agent performance tracking, disposition codes, etc. Even fully automated schedules, as many as you'd like, as you need per queue, including the capability of presetting your holidays for the year. In addition to that, queue treatment is very capable as well. For example, I can have different action items, different service level agreements, different wrap-ups, and abandon thresholds per queue. I can also define additional action items. So if I want to offer sold on hold after a particular time, or if I want to offer callback in queue capability or virtual hold, I could do that based on a schedule and based on available agents. Speaking of agents, the agent experience is very, very powerful as well. We're very interested in the single pane of glass for the agent so that they can actually run everything they need to do for that contact center from a single application. In the top, we have the toolbar, which is the call control. This gives you dial pad capabilities with call control and call history, transfers, conferencing, additional D&D applications as well, all up and out of the way. This is your entire soft phone using the WebRTC client. You do not need a hard phone in this application. As a supervisor, I can see all the people that belong to my group, and as a coach, I can even coach those people. Coaching is included in the application. I also have listen, I can have whisper, barge, and even take calls as needed, including one-button transfers and agent to supervisor chat. Once I'm logged into the platform and I'm in a ready status, I can actually take calls from the application as well as different items other than voice, for example, omni-channel, etc. So in a ready state, if I'm actually taking calls from a particular application, I get notified because I will be the next person in line. I can answer that call. I'm in busy status now. I look at call history. I have everything I need to know. I include custom agent scripting, which allows me to have online content management for agents on demand based on the queue, as well as on-demand surveys that they can go through and ask questions and do screenings. In addition to that, if there's a database connection involved, I can actually display database custom data in the call data values from your actual CRM application. Once that call is completed, I can disposition that call in my wrap-up time, which will go to the reporting mechanism, and then I'm ready for the next call. I can also add additional widgets on the agent desktop, which include SMS text messaging, live web chat from web, email applications, inbound, outbound dialing applications, transfers, visual voicemails, all sorts of applications and widgets that are available to you depending on the application needs for that particular agent or group of agents. So with this powerful agent desktop interface, which is controllable by the customer and its admins, including real-time dashboards and capabilities to manage and monitor the contact center in real time, this is one of the most sophisticated applications and powerful applications that you can add to your contact center and make it more efficient and offer your customers a better service opportunity. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the demo.